Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about karma. Karma as in Doordash is getting sued and they gotta pay out, son, to all of the Dashers who are in, I believe it is Massachusetts and California. Let me check this email. So I got an email. It's from info@DoordashClassLawsuit.com or ClassSettlement.com. Anyways. Basically, it says I gotta sign up for some money. DoorDash is going to pay me some money, and basically it says to anyone that was in California or the Massachusetts. I don't know why it's those two places, totally random, and it doesn't have any information on here at all about why they have to pay out, but I know that I'm gonna sign up and I'm gonna get some money because I did some DoorDash in California. Anyways, all right, so let's read this email I just got from the class action settlement of DoorDash. So, here's my microphone. In order to participate in the class action settlement described below, it doesn't describe it, maybe it does, okay. You must click on this link to file a claim. Oh, for a second I thought it might be spam, but I don't think it's spam. Okay. Notice of proposed class action settlement. Marco versus DoorDash. Case number. Doesn't really have any information on what they got sued for. Maybe it has something to do with the Proposition 22 kind of stuff. I don't know. Pursuant on the order of Superior Court for the State of California and county, or for the County of Los Angeles, you are hereby notified that a proposed settlement has been reached for the above referenced case brought on behalf of the following individuals. So first of all, comment down below. Let me know if you guys got this one. If you got it, just say I got the email. If you didn't, say I didn't get the email. Simple as that. So, the California settlement class all individuals who entered into an agreement with DoorDash to use DoorDash mobile applications to offer delivery services to customers in California from August 30th, 2016. I didn't even know they were around for that long. Through December 21st, 2020. So December 31st, 2020. So it had to have been before the last 8 months, obviously. And lawsuits take forever to go through. I wonder if this is due to them stealing tips or something. Anyways, the California settlement class excludes all individuals have entered into separate settlement agreements with DoorDash to settle and release all of their misclassified related claims for the same time period. I wonder if I can. Yeah, there's no. I guess I'll have to do some research on this online. And then it says the same thing about. So let's do some quick research. Be a little detective and figure out. By the way, I just got to my hotel in Florida in Tampa Bay, so we are officially here. So let's see. Let's type this in on Google and see what comes up. Marco versus DoorDash case BC 659841. All right, let's see if we can get some money. Let's see what this is all about. Court records. Ooh, this popped right up. 2017, Daniel Marco filed a personal injury, other personal injury lawsuit against DoorDash. Blah, blah, blah. The judge still pending. Okay, that's weird. That's totally weird. Why people who are drivers in California can get paid off of someone getting hurt. Weird. Interesting. Very interesting. This is what I don't understand about all this like court stuff, and I wish I was like a, what do you call the person that's not a lawyer but like a assistant of a lawyer or something? I don't know. I'm too dumb. I don't know any of these words that I would like to know. Well, that's interesting that if you are in California, I'm just going to do this for the funsies and just file a claim, maybe get some money. I don't think I would. I think I only probably did like 5 or 10 deliveries in there. So you got to go. You will receive no money from the settlement if you fail to complete this form by November 21st, 2021. So I only got like 2 months to fill out this stuff. Let me know if you guys got this in the comments down below. It's very interesting though. Anyways, so I guess DoorDash is getting sued. Wouldn't be the first time, definitely won't be the last time. Anyways, so that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video at all, or if you're happy that DoorDash is getting sued, smash that like button for me, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and updates, and gig news, and fitness advice, and money tips, and whatever else we got. I don't know. I'm going to be basically doing some random videos for the next few days. I guess I could go do some DoorDash right now, but I'm pretty tired, so I'm probably not going to actually do that. It's a good thought, though. I could do a daily dash in Tampa Bay, Florida. You know what was crazy? I just ordered DoorDash a second ago, and the guy, I don't know how, dropped off the food at the door. First of all, I always put hand to customer because I like to hand someone a cash tip whenever I order DoorDash. I don't even know where this guy went. I swear to God, he had to have dropped it off, but like, he must have put the food down, knocked, and just sprinted to the elevator. Because I only had to walk 10 feet, and by the time I got to the door, he was nowhere to be found. And I was just like, where'd he go? Like, bro, I had cash money for you, dude. Like, why'd you do that? I don't know, it says hand to customer. I always select hand to customer for that reason. But anyways, that's my day. I'm just chilling in Tampa Bay, Florida. I just got here like 2 hours ago. And yeah, about to drive to Miami tomorrow. Yep, it was definitely a long road trip. Passed the Hurricane Ida, didn't die. Yep. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys want to, go to offaccessathletics.com. Use my discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off. Important phone call. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.